the MB Trail, which is right there. And you can go to Stanley, Miramichi, like Boys Town, all the way to Newcastle, up through Bathurst, Campbellton, into Quebec, or all the way down through to Edmundston and to Quebec. Or you can take the yeah, I'm not too sure about that, because they still have a railway system from Newcastle to Moncton, and the MB Trail follows the old railway system. So I'm not sure if you can go from like to Moncton and then to Nova Scotia. I'm not sure. I never actually looked at it that way. Never explored that way. I'll have to check that out. Or if somebody knows, then let me know. Oh, I know, bud, we've only been out 20 minutes, but I didn't realize it was so warm. And it's, I don't know, close to 7 o'clock. So there's no breeze. It's just dead air. So yeah, I'm not sure if it goes from Miramichi to Moncton or not, but I know it goes down through Bathurst and into Campbellton. I know that. I've been through there. So now we may walk out, take a left or right here, just to see if he can get to the water, because I know this goes to the water, and I'm sure he'd like to cool off a bit before we get in the car. Okay. Oh, don't drink that old puddle water, buddy. That's yucky. Yucky old puddle water. I suppose it's probably, well, I know that's yucky.